everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Anna, and if this is your first time in my channel, please do consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell dyan po sa baba for you to get notified whenever I upload new videos and tutorials. In today's episode, I'll be doing something different and ipapakita ko po yan sa inyo. So please samahan niyo po ako. This is my first time na gawin po ito with my philodendron sanado. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, let me show you first my philodendron sanado. This one. So as you can see, it has two heads. This one and this one. Okay, and I have already pulled out the roots. Yan. Okay, so what are we going to do right now is we will cut this. Yan, ikakat po natin yan. Ito po yung aking gagamitin para po sa project na gagawin ko today. Okay, so let's begin. I'm gonna use this sharp knife. So I have already sanitized this using a 70% alcohol. We will cut this until here. Dito po. Yan, hanggang dyan natin siya puputulin. You have to be very careful in doing this process, especially if you have a sharp knife. Okay, so let's start. And that's it. And then after that, so we have already separated this head. Okay, this one. So yan. Yung shell. So lalagyan lang po natin ng cinnamon. Okay, just a small amount of cinnamon. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so ayan na siya. At ayan naman yung natitira. Okay, so ibabalik lang natin siya dun sa kanya pwesto. Okay, so guys, I have already removed this one. Okay, so yan na po siya. And ito po yung gagamitin ko para po sa project na aking gagawin po in this episode. Okay, so yan. Huhugasan ko lang po muna siya and then I'll be back later. Okay, so guys, I'm back. And ayan po siya, nahugasan ko na and nakat ko na din po yung excess na roots. Okay, so yan na siya. Malinis na po. Okay, so before I start, let me show you the materials that I'll be using for this project. So first is this flower vase. So yan. So prefer ko po talaga yung ganito lang. Yung medyo parang plain lang po siya para makita po natin yung what is inside. And then here, the pumice stone, and then a little amount of lava rock. Okay. And then, yan, some pebbles. Okay, yung small size. And then, of course, another pebbles. Yan, ito naman yung the bigger one. Yung medyo malalaki po ng kaunti. And the last one is ito po. Yan, yung wire po na aking gagamitin. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So guys, first step po na inyong gagawin ay susukatin nyo po yung haba ng ugat dito po sa inyong wire, and then pasusobrahan nyo lang po para sa pinakapaa po nitong inyo pong wire na magiging support po nito sa pinakadulo. Okay, so yan, meron na po ako ditong naputol. So ayan na po siya. Okay, so set aside na po natin to. Yan. Okay, so gagawa lang po tayo ng pinaka magiging paa niya po sa dulo. Okay, so yan na po. Ganyan na siya kadali. Okay, tapos ilalak lang natin para hindi mag-move. Yan. Iikot lang po natin to. Medyo mahirap, pero manageable naman. So yan na siya guys. Okay, nagawa na po natin. Higpitan lang natin to. Okay, so isukat natin siya. Dun sa ating pinaka. Okay. So, bali ito na po siya. Yan. Okay. That's it. And, so ito na po. Ilalagay na po natin yung ating pong mga materials. So, siguro dito, yan, sa side na ko siya ilalagay. Okay, so sa pinakababa po ay maglalagay ako ng a little amount of moss para magiging, yan po yung mag-a-absorb every time na, since wala naman po itong butas, so siya po yung parang pinaka mag-a-absorb po nung every time na magwa-water ako. So na po natin yung atin pong pumice stone. So, yan. Push. Okay, next is yung atin pong small amount of lava rock. Ito naman guys is ano lang, parang pinaka-neutralizer lang ng ating mga pebbles. Diba kasi naiiba yung kanyang kulay. So, ayan na siya. So, yan. Additional design. Maglalagay lang po ako nitong, yan, itong seashell po na ito na nakuha ko during our road trip sa isa pong pinuntahan naming beach. So, ilalagay ko lang po siya dito. Okay, so yan. Nakita ko din yung perfect spot. Ayan. So, yan. And the last one is ito. So, yan. And medyo siksik po natin siya kasi meron pa pong mga bakanting spaces. Okay, so yan guys, we're almost done. Okay, so yan na, tapos na po tayo. Okay, didiligan na po natin siya kaagad. Okay, so yun guys, tapos na po ako sa sinasabi ko pong project. So ito na po siya. Okay, so I hope that you have learned something from this and I hope that you have enjoyed watching while learning. Thank you so much for watching guys and see you on my next vlog. Bye!